Today we are going to make the most amazing summer cocktail, Gin Tonic. Hi guys, my name is Isis from Miami to the world. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you 3 ways how you can make Gin Tonic. And not just a simple Gin Tonic, but the most amazing 3 versions of Gin Tonic on earth. Gin Tonic is very popular cocktail. Everybody knows it in the world. It really peaks in Spain because when I've been there a couple of years ago, so Gin Tonic was everywhere and it was so mind-blowing. Gin Tonic was a cocktail which was introduced to the world by British East India Company in 1700s, something around that time, when malaria was very popular disease in those countries, I guess, and doctors was prescribing sailors to drink quinine, and quinine is very bitter thing, so we drank it with water, but when we added some gin to it, so the things really got better and everybody got to enjoy their medicine. So that's how Gin Tonic was born, and now it's enjoyed all over the world. The first one, it's strawberry Gin Tonic, and we are not going to use strawberry gin. We are going to use a regular gin, and we are going to use a fresh strawberry. I'm going to cut it. I put it straight in the glass. For this version, I'm using wine glass, and I'm going to use 2 ounces of gin. I like to do like that for 5 to 10 seconds, just to extract strawberry flavor to the gin. And now we're going to put ice, full glass. And what else are we going to do? Of course, love, passion and energy to everything we do in life. And tonic. The ratio is something like 1 to 1.5, 1 to 2, and I believe it's the best in Gin Tonic, because when you put more than 2 parts of tonic, or like more than 2.5 parts of tonic compared to gin, when you just drink tonic with no gin in there, and this is supposed to be a gin tonic. And I'm going to give it a stir for strawberries to go up and look nice in the glass. Here we go. And I'm going to use this amazing pasta life straw because it's sustainable, looks nice, and if you like raw pasta, so it tastes good for you. Here we go. And by the way, we are having a small contest. We will be choosing a winner from the first like 10-20 comments. Just write below how would you like to use this pasta straw, and we will choose one winner in a couple of weeks, and we will send you this nice box of pasta straws. So enjoy your first Gin Tonic. Second version of our amazing summer drink Gin Tonic is the orange twist, and it's very simple. We are going to use 2 ounces of our gin, and by the way, this time I'm using a wine glass without a leg, and personally I like these glasses more because they look nicer and it's more pleasant to drink from them, but it's just my opinion. And we're going to put full of ice. And tonic. As I mentioned, not too much, not more than 2.5 times more than gin, because it will be very tonic-y and I like it ginny. I'm going to use a couple of dry oranges for the garnish. I'm going to use orange peel for aromatizing, and it's a small thing, but it really gives a big impact to the drink. So I'm going to squeeze oils, aromatize the glass, and I'm going to put it in the glass as well. And one more small thing, it's orange angostura, 2 dashes. I put 3 because this is quite new bottle, so the dashes are really small. So keep in mind, if you open the bottle, you have to use a little bit more bitter than like a regular you. That's it, our Pasta Life straw. If you want to win this amazing box, just write in the comments which cocktail would you like to drink with this straw, and we will choose a winner in a couple of weeks. Here you go, our orange version of gin tonic. Wow, this is amazing. And the third our gin tonic today is going to be a popcorn twist on gin tonic. Let's go, guys. I'm using this kind of glass, and this time I will be using Mixology ice, very nice ice stick. Putting it in the glass, 1.5 ounce of gin, popcorn syrup. And how to make popcorn syrup, you can check this link. I'm going to use like 1/2 ounce. And tonic. Not so much. Pasta Life straw. Little stir, and we are going to garnish this cocktail with popcorn. Here you go. Enjoy your drink, enjoy your life. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you got inspired. I hope you found some new recipes, and please tell me in the comments below which gin tonic is your favorite. Which one would you like to taste, or maybe you have some other amazing gin tonic recipes, so please share in the comments below. I really would like to know them. And thank you very much. Don't forget to put everywhere love, passion and energy, and don't forget to smash like button, to smash subscribe button. And I love you, and I see you in next video.